I just discovered a brand new AI tool, and all you need to do is to give it instruction, and it's going to create an entire YouTube videos for you in a matter of minutes. I know, this might actually sound too good to be true, which is why I'm going to be showing you as opposed to telling you in today's video. So it's important that you stick around to the very end. What this means is that it's easier to create a faceless YouTube channel and make thousands of dollars every single day on YouTube without actually planning, recording, or editing these videos yourself. Let me show you an example. This channel right here was actually created by AI completely, and this channel every single month makes about $2,400, and this channel makes about $29,000 every single year. With the AI that I'm going to be introducing to you guys in today's video, you'll be able to generate music, voiceover, footage, text, and even transition. You can even tell this AI that you do not like the video that it has made for you, and it will immediately improve on this video and give you a better video instantly. I actually tested this AI tool, and I can assure you that it is mind-blowing, and I'm going to be showing you how in today's video. But before we jump right in, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I'm maybe around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing, and of course get the exact same results. So that's it, guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that said, the first thing you need to do is to actually choose a niche. Any kind of niche actually does work, but from my personal experience, the ones that work most with this AI tool are niches like business, money, motivation, travel, fitness, exercise, love, success, and stuff like that. Let me show you this AI tool at work. So I'm going to come here now, and where it says give me a topic and detailed instruction, I'm going to give a topic right here.
So the name of the AI tool is using is Invideo, and this is it here. So it's an AI tool that will help you to generate, the scripts, generate everything you need in a video, but it is a paid tool. This is it here, Invideo.io. So this is how it looks. You have to pay for it. It's not a free, it's not a free tool to use. So it says here, create videos with text prompts. Enter any topic and Invideo AI gets to work. It generates a script, creates scenes, add voiceover, and tweak the video at your command. With Invideo AI as your co-pilot, engaging your audience is effortlessly simple. So let's look at the pricing. Okay, so the pricing. So you have the free version, right? This free version will give you 10 minutes of video per week of AI generation. It means that you can generate videos that are up to 10 minutes long per week. Do you get it? So it means that in a month you will get like 40 minutes of, 40 minutes of AI generated videos. You have the plus, which is $20 a month. So this $20 a month will give you 15 minutes of video, like AI generated video. So for a month, and the max, which is $48 a month, we give you 200 minutes. So this is like 3 hours and maybe 3 hours and 20 minutes or something, right? So that's for the yearly. That's if you do the yearly package. But if you do the monthly package, this plus is $25 and this max is $60. Do you get it? So that's it. But if you want to be creating, it depends on the type of videos you want to create on YouTube. So we use the plus. But if you want to create videos that are maybe that'll be like 20 minutes long each, then you may need to go for this max.
How to find love in your 20s. That's the video that I actually wanted to make, right? I can actually click on generate video, and it is going to create an entire YouTube video for us. But I can actually give you more instruction, so that our video is actually tailored to exactly what we need. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come where it says select workflow. I'm going to come here, and you can choose whether you want YouTube short, YouTube explainer video, recent event video, and script to video, which is where you actually give it a script and it vomits a video for you instantly. So I'm going to go with this YouTube explainer, right? It's going to give me more fields to actually give more instructions. So I'm going to come here and say create a 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. So you can actually create a 15 minutes video if you want. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be saying create a 1 minute video, YouTube about, I'm going to put this in how to find love in your 20s, right? So right here, I can actually give you more instructions. So I'm going to say, start with a short, engaging story about the importance of finding true love at a very young age. Make the tune light-hearted, and funny, right? Now, background music, what kind of background music do I want? I can use emotional, right? Emotional background music, okay? Now, who is narrating this? Is he a woman? Is he a man? I can come here and say, I want a man to narrate this, or a woman. It's emotional. Let's use a female voice, any voice, or I can say a clear American voice, a voice of Californian accent, Southern accent, whatever it is that you want, right? So I'm going to say young British voice, right? I'm going to come here, subtitle. Do you want to add subtitles to this video? So I can say add subtitle, don't add any subtitle, you know, like whatever it is that I want. So I'm going to say add subtitle, okay? So watermark text, what do you want as a watermark? I'm actually put that right here and use iStock normally, right? You can actually select others that you actually prefer, okay? So I'm going to say use iStock, then I'm going to hit continue, then I'm going to come here and say generate a video for us, right? And this is where we actually fold our hands and wait for this AI to actually do the job of creating an entire YouTube video for us. Now, why this is happening, if you have gotten anything from this video at all, I want to encourage you guys, if you don't know that already, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you are watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. And at the end of this video, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. So it says analysis completed. It has given us an amazing title, True Love in Your 20s, a light-hearted guide, right? Okay. So right now it's actually preparing the video. So you can actually edit the prompts. There's only to edit. I can say continue, right? And this is the video loading up right here, right now. So this is done, okay? So this is the video right now. So it has done an amazing job for us, right? I can actually sit down and actually watch this. But if there's something that you don't like, you can actually change a few things. You can come here and hit regenerate, and it is going to regenerate a new video for us instantly. Or you can come here and give it a command. I can say change scene 1 to video of 2 persons in love. But before we change it, let's let it play for a few seconds.
Imagine this. You're in your 20s. The world is your oyster and love. It's just another adventure waiting to happen. Finding true love in your 20s can be as exhilarating as a skydiving.
And I'm going to hit generate. And this AI is going to take this instruction right now and change the video on scene 1 instantly. So right here it says changing media, right? Scene 1, changing media. Easy. Okay, so it has changed the scene for us and it has 2 persons in love, basically. So you can play this. I see how easy that was.
Scene script. Imagine this. You're in your 20s. The world is your oyster and love.
We don't like the music, we want to change the music. We can go ahead and give it another prompt. Come here, delete this prompt right here, delete, and give it another prompt. Say, replace the music with something more hip-hop like, right? And hit generate. And again, this AI is going to take over and generate a more hip-hop like music for us. So what it's doing right now is updating all the tracks, you know, to actually change the music and give us something more hip-hop like, which is what we told it to do for us. And it's done. So let's play this right now.
Scene script. Imagine this. You're in your 20s. The world is your oyster and love. It's just another adventure waiting to happen. Finding true love in your 20s can be as exhilarating as...
So you see, it has actually changed the music in the background to something more hip-hop like. So another thing we can do is to come here to edit, right? And let's say, for instance, we want to change the image right here, you know, by ourselves. What we can do is to come here. Let's say we want to put an image of, let's say, scene 3. Or okay, this scene right here. Let's say we want to change this scene right here to an image of family with children, family with kids laughing. And I'm gonna hit enter. So it's going to show me a lot of images, you know, that has families with kids laughing in it. So it's going to show me a lot of these images right here with kids laughing, you know, family, you know, basically, right? So because this is highlighted, I can just click on any one of these and this gets replaced immediately. So let's replace with this. I'm going to hit this and you see that this scene gets replaced with this particular one. I can now hit apply changes. This is done right now. So if you hit play, right, you're going to see that when it gets to that particular scene, you're going to see the picture of a man and woman with kids laughing. Okay, so you see the image of man with woman and kids laughing, which is what we actually told it to do. So other thing we can do is to change the script. Let me show you how to do that. If you don't begin of this video, you're going to be seeing this scene script right here, right? So we need to remove this right now. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to come here to edit script, right? And where it says scene script, I need to remove this. So I'm going to highlight this and delete, right? And hit apply changes. So this is done. If you play this right now, you're going to see that scene script is no longer here. So it starts with imagine this as opposed to starting with scene script. So this is done, right? And if you look at this, you're going to see that some of these scenes actually do have watermark and there's a way to remove it, right? Now, with this particular method, you can actually build channels like this. Now, this is another example of an AI channel that is actually making a lot of money. This Geekbot AI, and all these videos are actually made with AI. Okay, and this is another channel right here, just like this one called AI News, that uses the same faceless YouTube automation business model. And this channel actually makes about $1,000 every single month, which is actually about $12,000 every single year. And there's no reason why you cannot do this with this AI tool.
So actually, you see, the way I see the way you can use this script, this video, this AI generation tool is this. There are different things you can use it for. Do you get it? You see, first of all, when he started the video, he said that you need to choose a niche. So there are different niche that you can choose, and I'm also, trying out to start a automated YouTube channel. Do you get it? I'm trying to start out a automated YouTube channel. So there are different things you can do. Number one, you can use this script to, for businesses. If you have any business idea, you can use it to, you know, um, to generate business related videos. You can use it to generate, stories. Do you get it? All these love stories, all these scary horror stories. Do you get it? If you come to YouTube now and you search for faceless YouTube channel idea, and you click on Faceless YouTube channel idea, these search results will give you a lot of ideas about videos that you can do. Do you get it? And I actually saw this video. By this video, you see, this person told us, 25 best faceless YouTube channel ideas in 2024. So I will be dropping the link to this video in the description below so that you can watch this video to have an insight and understanding about YouTube channel ideas you can start or you can create so that you'll be able to use this AI tool that Gerald is talking about so that you can be able to use it to create videos for your YouTube channel. In all honesty, starting a YouTube channel is the best way to make money online so far. To create a YouTube channel is absolutely free. To create a YouTube channel, if you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone. But I don't think this Invideo AI, I don't think they have a phone app. Do you get it? They may not have a phone app, so you need to, have a laptop to be able to use it. But I think you should be able to access the website through your phone, which is 100% possible. So starting a YouTube channel is absolutely free. Starting a YouTube channel does not require you to have a large amount of money. It means that you don't need to, buy all these you don't need large investment. Even with your phone alone, you can start creating videos for YouTube. Do you get what I'm saying? So it now depends on the niche you want to go into. If you want to use this type of AI, this Invideo AI to create videos for your YouTube channel, you may need a laptop. Do you get it? That's where investing in a laptop comes in. And after you get the laptop, that is all. Because you don't need a camera, you don't need to, you don't need a microphone to add your voice, you don't need anything again. You only need your, internet access and you need your laptop. Do you get it? Even if you don't have a phone and you have a laptop, you can actually make money you can actually start a YouTube channel and make money on your YouTube channel. All you need for you to start making money on YouTube is to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, which is YPP. So for you to qualify for YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours. So if you create tangible videos, if you create videos that people are going to watch and people are going to love, you will definitely hit that mark and you apply for YPP and you start making money with YouTube channel. Gerald, I'm 100% sure that out of everything that Gerald has done, online to make money online, this YouTube is the one that is giving him the biggest money of all. I'm 100% sure about it that this YouTube is the one giving. So also other creators, even this one that is teaching you see this person too, you see this tech luxury living, each his own YouTube channel is the one giving him biggest money, like huge money. Is the fact this lady too and all these other people that are telling you things to do to make money online, all these people, they don't joke with their YouTube channel. Their YouTube channel is their biggest source of income. Same also with this guy, Make Money Matt. This guy has like maybe there was a time he said he has like 9 YouTube in one of his videos. He said he has like 9 YouTube channels. Can you imagine? 9 YouTube channels. So let's take for example, he's even making as low as as low as $200. He's making more than that, but let's say he's making as low as $200 on each, on each YouTube channel. That's like close to $2,000. And this guy makes way more than you $200, way more. He'll be making close to like $3,000, $4,000 a month. Do you get it? Multiplied by 9. So if you see them driving Lamborghini, you see them driving, big, big cars, it's from YouTube. That's just it. So let's continue with the video.
So to export this, all you need to do is to come here where it says export, right? Come here, click on the export and click on where it says export video. So this is going to be exporting with watermarks. Before we continue, let me show you guys something real quick. So I'm going to close this. And if you look at this particular video, you're going to see the fact that there are watermarks on this video, and you don't want to publish this video on YouTube with this watermarks right here. So this watermark needs to go, right? So I'm going to come back here to export and hit export video. And it's showing me that right now you have stock watermarks, right? And if you want no watermarks, then you have to upgrade, which is very important. Your video is also going to have the in-video branding unless you upgrade, right? Which is very important. So you want to upgrade. So I'm going to hit upgrade right now. I've just paid for in-video right now, okay? So I'm going to select no watermark, in-video AI branding none. You can do 4K, you can do 1080, you can do 720p or 480. So I'm going to work with 1080p, right? So I'm going to hit continue right now. And this is loading right now. It says preparing media for export. And what's going to happen is that this video that this AI generated for us is going to be exported. As a matter of fact, you can generate more than 10 videos every single day, create a YouTube channel, and start posting on that YouTube channel easily, right? And this is actually the best approach to creating an AI generated faceless YouTube channel using the YouTube automation business model. Easy. And this is one of the easiest ways to actually make money online. So right here, this is actually exporting right now. And there's something I want to bring to your attention that is actually very, very, very important. Now look at this place where it says, if your video has been flagged for copyright on YouTube, this means that if this AI generates a video for you and you put it on YouTube and it gets flagged for copyright violation on YouTube, you can come here and click on copyright assistance, and they're going to help you fix that copyright violation issue. Now this is amazing. So this is done. I'm going to scroll down and come here where it says download right now and click on download. And what happens right now is that this video that we've just created gets downloaded into my local computer right now. Right, and this has downloaded to my local computer right now, which is why it says done right here. So I am going to be subscribing to your YouTube channel, but here's what you need to do. Click on the first link in the video description right now. Go to Invideo and set up an account. Now generate your own video just like we have done. Now go ahead and take action right now. And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment sections. I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions, guys. So until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys.
Okay, guys, so that's the video, right? You've seen the video that it generated, which is nice and okay. So first of all, you need to pay for, Invideo so that they will be able to remove all those watermarks and everything from, from the video you generated. That's number one. Then number two is that you click on the link in the description below so that you can be able to see this video, right? So that you can have access to this video to check out the 25, Faceless YouTube channels ideas that you can use this Invideo AI for. Do you get it? To start your own YouTube channel. So get your niche ideas. Do you get it? And use Invideo to create your videos for your YouTube channel. So the link will be down in the description below. The link to your video will be down in the description below. The link to this video will be down in the description below. And the link to Gerald's video will be down in the description below. In case you want to check more videos on, Gerald's channel. So that's all for today. Thank you for clicking on the video, and thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you actually watch the video up to this point, I really, really appreciate you. So what I would like you to do is to share this video to your friends so that they too can also be able to know how to make money online. Do you get it? Because it's a good thing when you are making money online and your friends are making money online. You get it? Everybody will be happy, everybody will make money online, and everybody will be making their money, and everybody will be happy, right? So thank you for clicking on the video, thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next video.